Good morning and thank you for joining our daily outlook. And today we'll cover the changes in the euro-dollar pair. Greg will be sharing insights from our trading desk.
The euro-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair dropped 0.9% in the last session. The CCI indicates an oversold market. The last session saw the gold gain 0.5% against the dollar. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The last session saw Microsoft stock rise 1.5%. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in world financial news.
The dollar weakened against major peers after cooler-than-expected data eased fears that inflation was accelerating and increased the chances that the Federal Reserve could cut interest rates twice this year. The Bureau of Labor Statistics showed consumer prices rose 2.9% in the 12 months through December, in line with economists' expectations. US stocks surged, with all three major indexes notching their biggest daily percentage gains in more than 2 months, as lower-than-expected December core inflation data and solid earnings from major US banks fueled a rally. Fed policymakers may be able to reduce interest rates a couple of times this year after a government report helped allay fears that inflation was accelerating in the final full month of Joe Biden's presidency. The core consumer price index, which excludes food and energy prices and is seen as a gauge of underlying inflation pressures, rose 0.2% month over month in December.
Thank you. And now let's go through today's major economic events.
The Dutch unemployment rate will be released at 5:30 GMT. The US import price index at 13:30 GMT, the UK's NIESR GDP estimate at 12 GMT. Australia's participation rate will be released at 0:30 GMT. Australia's consumer inflation expectations at 0 GMT. The UK's manufacturing production at 7 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.